I like working in Metalworking Group because to me it's more of a career than just a normal job.
I really enjoy working for the company. They really recognized me and gave me the opportunities to be where I am today.
It's made me who I am. I came in here as a young man. I was 22, looking for an opportunity, and they took a chance on me, and I can honestly say that I'm super glad that I'm here. To anyone that was looking for an opportunity, this would be a great launching pad to start a career.
Our people are the best. I think we focus a lot on culture, and we know that when we take care of our people, that they take care of the rest.